Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's a staple in professional kitchens everywhere, the Waring Deep Fryer with an impressive 8.5 pounds capacity. We found this fantastic deep fryer online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what is the Waring Deep Fryer? This commercial-grade deep fryer is designed specifically for high-volume frying, making it perfect for busy restaurants and commercial kitchens. With its 8.5 pounds oil capacity and a twin basket design, this fryer allows you to cook different types of food at the same time, enhancing your kitchen's efficiency and versatility. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this fryer. First, the 1800-watt electric heating element heats oil quickly, reaching temperatures of up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. This is essential in a commercial kitchen where time is of the essence, and you need consistent results. The fryer also comes with variable temperature controls, allowing you to adjust the heat depending on what you're cooking. Plus, the built-in 30-minute timer ensures that your food is cooked to perfection without the risk of overcooking or burning. Another key feature is the dual basket design, which includes two half-size baskets and one full-size basket. This versatility is a game-changer for chefs who need to prepare multiple menu items simultaneously. Whether you're frying up crispy chicken wings, golden French fries, or even donuts, this deep fryer can handle it all with ease. Cleaning and maintenance can often be a hassle in a busy kitchen, but the Waring Deep Fryer makes this process simple. The hinged heating element allows for easy access to the oil tank, and the removable stainless steel tank design means you can clean it without any fuss. This feature significantly reduces downtime, allowing your kitchen to keep operating smoothly without interruptions. Now, who is this fryer suitable for? The Waring Deep Fryer is ideal for professional chefs and restaurant owners who require high-performance cooking equipment. It's designed for commercial applications, so if you're running a food truck, a diner, or any establishment where frying is a key part of the menu, this fryer should definitely be on your radar. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're running a fast-paced kitchen, you might find yourself needing to fry a large batch of onion rings while simultaneously cooking chicken tenders. With the Waring Deep Fryer, you can do just that without compromising on quality or flavor. Additionally, if you're looking to expand your menu to include fried foods, this fryer offers the capacity and efficiency needed to do so effectively. In conclusion, the Waring Deep Fryer with its 8.5 pounds capacity is a powerful and efficient tool for any professional kitchen. With its quick heating, precise temperature control, and easy maintenance features, it stands out as an excellent choice for chefs looking to enhance their frying capabilities. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.